if you want to talk about all things great in Azerbaijani, this word is for you. Because in Master Azerbaijani word of the day, we have Əla. Əla. Əla can mean excellent, great, awesome. Awesome. Let's see some phrases. Excellent work, great quality, awesome result. Let's see what do they mean in Azerbaijani. Əla iş. Iş straightforward, work, or can also mean job. Here, it means iş is work. Əla keyfiyyət. Keyfiyyət is straightforward, quality. Əla keyfiyyət. See what happens there? You skip the double Y's and you say just one, keyfiyyət. Next one is əla nəticə. Nəticə is also straightforward, result. Now let's use these in some sentences. İşlər yolunda getmədi, amma nəticə əla oldu. Əla is an adjective. Let's see how we used it here. See, we did not use it as adjective. Do you know why? It's because of oldu. Əla olmak is the to be that made it sound like action. Was excellent. Olmak, to be, oldu, was. Now, let's break it apart more. İşlər yolunda getmədi. Things didn't go smoothly. See how I said iş is work, but işlər is the things that you are doing, in this case, yolunda getmədi. So literal translation is they did not go on their way, the things that you were doing. So the better translation, things didn't go smoothly. Amma, but, nəticə, the result, əla oldu, was excellent. Let's see another sentence. Sənin işin həmişə çox peşəkar və əla görünür. This is a nice sentence, nice compliment. Let's see. Your work always looks professional and excellent. Now, you can also say very professional, but professional is already a good compliment. So I kept it. I believe the sentence looks better. Why I'm saying this? Because in Azerbaijani version, I have this. Çox peşəkar. Peşəkar is professional, done according to the job that you do. Çox is just a very, you just add the magnitude to that. But otherwise, if you translate, this looks professional. And əla görünür. Görünür is looks, but over here, sənin işin həmişə çox peşəkar və əla görünür. The thing, the job that you do, the work that you do looks professional, looks excellent. That's what we're trying to compliment. And həmişə is always. Sənin işin, this one you know. Sən is you, sənin is your. İş is work, işin your work. All right? That was my way of using today's word in Azerbaijani sentences and phrases. I have another one for you. I did one push-up and declared the day Ella for those who are starting. Thanks for watching. Make sure to come back tomorrow for a new word. Until then, I wrote every 10 days a blog about how to learn Azerbaijani better, faster, and more efficient and fun ways in masterazerbaijan.com. Make sure to check that. Otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow for a new word. Cheers.